Dr. Trevor Miller here with Integrated Health of Indiana, and I'd like to take a moment to talk to you about pediatrics and what pediatrics means in the chiropractic, acupuncture, and functional medicine world. With chiropractic, kids are always taking a rough and tumble. They're always, they're just learning to walk. They're always falling down. If they're of the toddler age, they're running into things and getting knocked over, and they're playing outside. A lot of these things can take that curve out of the neck, and it can cause them to have sleeplessness. It can cause them to have earaches. Chiropractic adjustments have been seen to dramatically help earaches. And then all just a general making sure the nervous system is lined up and doing what it should do so that that baby has the best chances to develop and grow. Acupuncture wise, it's teaching children how to settle down, and it gets them to relax. And so once again, we're seeing that ability to calm a child down. And then third, or last but not least, we're talking about functional medicine. And functional medicine really starts to look at the things that we actually do to children. We don't think that we're doing much to children when we're feeding them, but there are three stressors that really cause us to start to break down. And one is stress, the second are food, and the third is inflammation. And so if we're giving children empty calories and snacks and Mountain Dew and whatever the case may be, but they're not getting good whole nutrition, red and yellow food colorings can actually cause brain damage. They can be excitotoxins. And so if your child is developing slowly or having developmental delays, if they are exhibiting symptoms of autism and things of that nature, well, then going through the testing and starting to see what's causing the child problems, what deficiencies the child has, and then starting to address those, then we can start to help those kids that are trapped inside their own bodies. And that's what we're here to do. We're here to help them heal from the inside out.